Hi, everybody, it's Mrs. Elliott. Today we're going to talk about searching, some tricks to help you improve your online searching. This is something I call sad searching. Probably has happened to all of us. You are trying to do some online searching and you're just not getting the results that you're looking for. Often it's too many results, maybe a million, like in Google, or the results that you're getting are not related to your actual topic. That's a really common problem. So let's talk about how you can improve your searching. One of the best ways to improve your searching is by adding related terms. This first search that I was doing here was about social media. And so I started with social media, but I was getting too many results. So I realized I had to narrow my topic a little bit. And I did that by adding additional terms. So, really, my big topic is about social media, depression, and how social media can cause depression in teens. Or can it? That's what I'm wondering. So, what I tried was social media, depression, teens. I put the three different terms there. So, what I'm telling the search engine is I'm looking for articles that are about those three things. It's really going to narrow the results that I get, and they'll be more specific to my topic. Another idea is to frame your topic by using the subject that you're studying. For example, this topic that or research that I'm doing is about social media and depression in teens, but it falls under the umbrella of psychology. So I'm going to include psychology in my searching. What that will do, it will narrow the results down to articles that have to do with psychology or the subject of psychology. My best tip for you. Sometimes you're not too sure, like, what should you even be searching? Well, search engines actually do something kind of interesting. It's not always just the search engines, but for example, JSTOR or EBSCO. All articles or entries that are in one of those databases, like JSTOR or EBSCO, they will tag articles with very specific keywords. And you can actually take those keywords and search them. Why those keywords are so powerful is because if that's the common language that's being used across all of these entries or articles or research, if you're using that same language, it will connect you with those articles much easier. So you can see here, for example, in the red boxes, they've tagged these articles with topics or subject headings. This first one, for example, has social media, junior high school students, cyberbullying, on and on and on. But look around. You might see some that you didn't think to search for. For example, online identity. I hadn't thought to search that yet. So I can take that and use that as one of my search terms. Okay. Down here at the bottom, you can look again. I was searching teens, but here they're using adolescents or young adults. So maybe I need to use those terms instead of teens, which was my initial search. So it's worth using these topics or subject headings when you're doing your searching. Another way that you can actually improve your searching, so I'm going to move this box over here, is by using these search filters. You'll find these filters in, again, some of our databases like JSTOR or EBSCO. And it gives you some options. You can tell it you only want full text, for example, here. That means that it's fully there. You don't have to just only read the summary. You can read the whole article. You can choose peer reviewed to make sure it's a scholarly or academic article. You can use the slider and narrow the publication date. You can also choose different types of sources. If you want only encyclopedias or only academic journals, you can do that as well. So kind of experiment. You might narrow it too much or make it too broad. So just give it a try. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit now about a type of searching, or kind of a tool that you can use while searching. It's called Boolean searching. I'm not sure if you've heard of this before, but it's a way of speaking to search engines so that it really understands exactly what you're looking for. And Boolean searching uses three different words: and, or, not. Those three words. And so good researchers know how to do Boolean searching. It's kind of like a librarian power or a super researcher power. I use it almost every day when I'm searching, and I think it'll improve your searching powers. Boolean searching. So when you're using the word and, what does that mean? Well, you connect two terms, or three or more, using the word and. And that will narrow your results and tell the database that you're searching that you want to include all your terms. So for example, you can see I've included a couple examples here with cloning. Let's say you want something about cloning and humans and ethics. If you search those three terms with and in between, all the results you get will include cloning, humans, and ethics, all of it together. You can see the Venn diagram here. It will include everything together. So that's and. Or is a little bit more open. If you were to search cloning or genetics or reproduction, you are going to get results that could be any of those things. Just cloning, just genetics, maybe the two together, reproduction, but it could include it or not. So it's a much more open search. And you can see here in the Venn diagram, it would include college, it would include university, it would also include the middle, but it could be one, maybe not the other. So it's a little more of a broad search. The last one is not. This is where you can exclude things from your results. For example, cloning, I want results about cloning, but I don't want to hear any more about sheep. Okay, so cloning, not sheep. It'll give you lots of cloning results. Maybe that include humans, maybe that just includes the science behind cloning, but it will not give you anything about sheep. So here is, right here, you can see cats, but not dogs. It won't include the middle, and it won't include the dogs part, only cats. You could also say, for example, cats, not tigers, okay? Something like that. Another really powerful thing to use when you're searching is using quotation marks. When you use those quotation marks in your searching, what it does is it sticks everything together and searches for it as kind of a locked together title or term, set of terms. I use this most often when I'm searching for a specific title of something. I will put it all inside. If you don't do that, the search engine may break it up into pieces. So for example, trolls and trolling in social networking sites. I put it in quotations and I searched it and it found the exact article I was looking for based on that title. If I did not use those quotes, it may pull out only trolls and find me articles about trolls or social networking, but maybe not that specific one. So use those quotations to lock it all together. Okay. That's all I have for you today. Please let me know if you have any questions or you need a little bit of help, and I'm happy to help you out. Okay, bye-bye.